on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2019. Today we're gonna go outside real quick because I popped my tire about 4 days ago and I have to start my car because the battery is no good and it probably won't start. Holy shit, it's sunny. Probably won't start if I don't start it. I was driving a couple days ago and you can't really see it right now, but right here it ripped on the tire, but I just gotta start the car. Okay. Ugh. See if it'll even start. Oh! Alright. Y'all don't even know how scared I was coming home the day that this tire popped, because I was in the middle of the fucking road, the highway. I was in the middle of the highway and all I heard was a and I was like, holy shit, I felt it. I felt the whole entire pop. So I pulled over and I went onto the side of the road. Turns out that the tire completely ripped, but I guess that's what happens to me after not changing my tire after like what, 2.5 years, 3 years. I'm sorry. Considering that I have super cheap tires on this car, I have all season Nankang tires all around the FRS. And before you guys say anything, I know they're cheap, but they have lasted me a long time and they have been good to me, okay? They have lasted 3 summers, 3 winters, and only 1 tire has blown on me so far. And I will have to say that compared to the Toyo Proxies that I used to have, if you guys don't know this, I'll put a picture up. I used to have Enkai Aeroso 5Rs, I believe that's what they're called. That setup was when I was not wide body, and I put the wide body on and then I rocked those for a little bit, but then I ended up changing it to the 7K Genos that I currently have on. But at the time I couldn't afford to put Toyo tires on my fucking wide body. I just couldn't afford it. I paid like $950 to put Toyo Proxies on my Enkai. When I saw the price for this setup, I was like, hell no. No honey, we're not doing that. No, not today. So I settled with Nankang and they have been super awesome. And no, this is not sponsored, I'm just saying they were cheap and they did the job. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to show you guys was my 2019 mood board, and we're gonna move it all the way over here where it's less sunny. So in 2019 so in the beginning of the week, I sat down and I put a bunch of pictures of things that I want to accomplish in 2019. And you want to say hi? Hi, hi. Go over there. So I want to share with you guys what I have in mind for the 2019 season. To start off, I want to buy a BMW. I mostly just want a daily, so I'm not looking for anything crazy like an M4 or an M6, but maybe a 320i or something like that. So yeah. I want to make more monies. I want to travel outside the US. I want to finish the FRS, finish all the home improvements. I want to make it on a car magazine. And this guy from Billetworks, this car is amazing. I've seen it in person. It's so beautiful. I want to finish fixing the garage. And I want to grow my YouTube channel to 5,000 subscribers. And I know we're almost there. I think we're like 1,000-ish subscribers away. But this is one of my main goals for 2019. I also want to start a new business, a car business. So I don't know exactly what, but I want to start a new business. And I also want to go to the gym because I want to lose 25 pounds. These are all the things that I have planned for 2019. And hopefully it comes true. So if you guys follow me on social media, you guys know that I've been going to the gym a lot. I cut alcohol. I'm 11 days completely sober. I hope to go more. I know that for my birthday I'll probably drink a little bit, but if you guys don't know, I do own a bar, so I drink almost every single day, not intentionally, but because it's my job and I'm there serving alcohol and I make sure that everyone gets their drinks correct. I know a lot of you guys follow me on social media, so most of you already know the big news. But me and Cody went ahead and we got a house. You can't really see it, but I'll show you before my camera dies. That is the garage. It can hold 2 cars. You can't really see much of it because the sun is really bright, but I'll try to show you as much as I can. We have a really big yard. I'm super excited about that. The driveway is stupid long and the sun is not really helping. I don't know why out of all days it decided to be a really pretty day, but yeah, we got a small little house here in New Jersey and we have a lot of work to do. What are you doing? You're so gonna fucking fall.
Oh my God. I think it's too big for this one.
I need the content, bro. I need to record. Everyone's 86 is outside. You can't see shit because it's very, very dark out. But Cody's Evil is right there. And that's Sophia. We're at Bobber's house right now, and he showed us his wheels that he came from California. Can I show that? Oh, okay, okay. Cool. I didn't know if you posted them on your channel or not.
eBay Rocket Money kit?
Dude! Wait, that's from eBay for sure?
No.
Oh, I was about to say. We don't fuck with fakes. Show the receipt.
Huh? From Japan.
There's gonna be people in the comment section like, you eBay ass bitch. That's just pretty cool. We should get one for our garage. This thing, where did you get that? Home Depot? Walmart?
You'll get one for your garage.
Alright, so
Yeah!
135, it seems kind of
And here we have a young Nash. What's happening? What the fuck? Car girl's at its finest. That's not how you use it, bro. All you need is to hire Sophia every day.
I'll keep you up there.
People, the floor is loud. It's just gonna don't fucking push me. The floor is lava. It's just tippy toeing on the fucking